Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. In this video we are going to tell you about an app where you can watch funny videos and share your videos. So let's start with the video and see how to see funny videos with an Android app. So let's start with the video. Open Google Play Store on your mobile. Search the app Vigo Video, formerly Hyperstar. Where is the app? Install this app. Let's read some more about this app. Vigo Video is a social network to share your daily funny moments. Break into spotlight with short videos for the world to see. Download Vigo Video. Become a short video maker to receive awesome rewards. Be your best filmmaker on Vigo Video. Use easy editing tools and creative decorations. Show off your artistic vision. Organize and store clips in secret albums. Discover and share the latest, hottest music to add to your videos. Earn flames and get cash for making videos. Download Vigo Video now and be part of community of stars. App is installed now. Open it. Create an account. Register or log in. Log in with Facebook. Log in with Facebook or Google. Gmail account. Here it shows the videos. You can follow the peoples to get their latest videos. Here you can see the notifications. Here you can see your own profile. Drafts, valid, flames, falling, followers, my videos. Tap to shoot your first video. Click over here. Give access. Click allow. Again click allow for audio. Or you can select your video from gallery or album. There are different editing tools. Again click on allow to get videos from your mobile or gallery. Here you can edit videos. Click next. Processing video. Put the effects. Click done when it's completed. Select the music. Change the volume. Human voice music. Put some filters in the video and then click next. Add hashtags, captions or add titles. When all is done, click post and video will be added. Here you can see your flames or wallet balance. So you see, by this app you can see the funny videos, share your own videos and earn money from the same app. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.